Hello guys, welcome back to the channel The Tricky Guy, and in this video we are continuing with our SQL 50 questions plan. And here is the third question: customer who visited but did not make any transaction. So whenever you are solving a lead code question, this question a bit tricky for you, but when I will be explaining to you, it is something that you should not think it is difficulty since the tag is easy. But trust me, when I was in college and I was practicing this question, it hit me differently. It I don't think so. I am having any submission here because this is Techie Guy account and I solved with my personal what I can say at that period of time 2020 or 21. Okay, so just coming to the question now. Read customer who visited. Okay, but did not make any transactions. This is the question. Okay, most of the things lie here only. So we are having two tables, visit, and in this we having visit id and customer id. So visit id is the column with unique values for this table, and the table contains information about the customer who visited the mall. So visit id is something unique values, that means it is the primary key, and transaction is the second table. Transaction id is the column with the unique values for this table. Okay, this table contains information about the transaction made during the visits. Okay, so basically this is having transaction ID, a visit and amount, and this table contains a record of it, like how many transactions happened with the visit IDs. We need to write a solution to find IDs of user who visited without making any transactions and number of times they made these types of visit. And we can result this in any order. This is the format: visits and customer ID. Now if you see here, this is visit IDs. So visit IDs is unique, as we can see. Customer ID is repeating. Look, 54 is repeating two times. Oh, sorry, three times is repeating 54. Now visit ID is also here same because this are in the transaction one. So all these visits came here and recorded as a transaction. So this fifth visit, we can see this is by this 54. So that is why we are having 555 here, and 54 also gone there by 7 and 8, but we can't see any transaction by his name, so we just need to find it. So output, if we can see, look, 54 to here, because we are having 7 8 here, but nothing else here in transaction. Second one is 30. So if we see 30 visit id is 4, but we can't see here 4, so that is why 30 is coming. Same goes with 96. I don't think so we are having 96 id as 6 is here. No, nothing, right? 23 and 9 we are having one time, and this 30, 96 and 54 two times. We need to print it count. And same goes with the explanation. So when I was in starting, when I was solving this question, I still knows, look, what I'm gonna do here as select star from the table visits, v left join. Always use left join to tackle null values transaction on v dot visit id e dot, maybe t is also having visit id. Yeah, it is done. This is what we are gonna do now. What we need to print here, customer id. So customer id is in which table? Come here, visits. Visits is having customer id. Now what is this count? This is count of customers or number of transaction, we can say. So come here, count of, what you need to write here, you need to write transaction, but transaction is made by whom? The IDs, that means customer id. So come here and write this v dot customer id. Now look, there is only one thing which you need. If you are using any group by function, means count aggregator function, you need to use group by. So I'm using group by here, and we are only taking one attribute, so this attribute will be fine in group by. One more condition, where what we need to find, who visited but did not make any transaction. So transactions should be null. So t dot, trust me, this question will be simple. If you didn't watch this video and you are trying to solve by your own self, you will come here and say, wow, this is something that you are not gonna understand so fast. Transaction id, transaction spelling, I am just checking. Okay, is null. not equal to null, is null should be there. We already saw this mistake from me in our earlier videos, so just saying. I guess group by comes in last and where condition comes first. So this is the error, I know. Let's see. Okay, wrong answer. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, 54 expected is this. R 54 is coming once. 30 is coming once. 96 is coming once. Let's see where we got wrong here. Where transaction ID is null. Okay. V dot visit ID, T dot visit ID. It is right here. Group by V dot customer ID. I'm coming here. Yes, we need customer here. Till here I am correct. Select count of. Okay, sorry. Coming here v dot customer id, because this is the customer id's count, I know. Select v dot customer id and v dot customer id's count as well here from visit table. Left joining, I'm transaction tables. T on v dot visit is equal to t dot visit id, where transactions dot t dot transaction id is null. Group by v dot customer id. It should work. Wrong answer. 54 is coming once. 54 is coming twice, 30 is coming once, 96 is coming once. Wait a minute. My output is totally similar here. Okay, I understood. What we need to do, we need to do like this. As you can see, count is coming here. I need to give a name. Now run. This is also something you should check your alias perfectively. Now, let's see. Try to submit. Yeah, so it got submitted. And if you're having any doubts, so just comment on this video and I will explain how and things is going. Apart from this, if you need to check what is happening actually, just copy this, paste it here and run. This is something you should always do without any care. Look, not a group by expression, because you are not using this here in your group by function. And why we need group by? Let's say remove this. As of now, remove this group by as well, so it will not show you any count. Maybe not this error, don't give me please. Yeah, look, so it is giving you this. Look, null something. So 52 it is two times null, for 96 it is one time null, and for 30 it is one time null. Same is happening here. Look, we just need count, so you will get the count. And this is something, if you are doing some question, just try it, select a star from these old like four tables, these five tables, so you will see what you are gonna explore here. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, just comment or ping in telegram. Honestly, I am not active on telegram and on whatsapp. We also have community there as well, but what you can do, you can just comment on this video and I will reply. So thanks for watching.